case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a heated 1990 case that reached the Louisiana Supreme Court, the grief-stricken Buckbee family pointed fingers at United Gas Pipeline Company, Inc. in what had been a fatal incident. William Buckbee had succumbed to an explosion as he tried to dislodge a plug from a heater, previously the property of United Gas. His family's pursuit of justice led to an intense examination of rules surrounding hearsay evidence. The fixtures of this lawsuit were a second-hand heater and a fatal explosion. The argument made by the Buckbees was that United Gas was negligent. They should have inspected the heater and warned of potential danger. In the courts of Louisiana, the standard rule is that hearsay, statements made outside the courtroom, is generally inadmissible. However, there are exceptions when the statement is both necessary and trustworthy. This case put those exceptions to the test. Despite the jury's initial conclusion that Buckbee's own negligence caused the accident, hindering the Buckbees' family recovery of damages, the Supreme Court deemed that an important piece of evidence had been wrongfully excluded. Buckbee's utterance to Vincent, that he intended to apply heat to the plug, was allowed under the exception to the hearsay rule. The court found this to be a valid declaration of intent, which was necessary and trustworthy. However, a second out-of-court statement made by Buckbee did not meet the standards for admission. It lacked the circumstantial guarantees of trustworthiness and was deemed inadmissible. In this complex back and forth, the Louisiana Supreme Court overturned the judgment of the previous courts. Sidestepping the previous jury verdict, the case was directed back to the Court of Appeal for a fresh, independent assessment. All this while ensuring that the plaintiff's appeal was reconsidered in full accordance with the principles of appellate review. The gavel had not yet struck its final decision in the tragic case of Buckbee v. United Gas Pipeline Company, Inc.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.